Hey guys, today we're going to be playing another game on ABCya called Blobble. Okay? Yeah, and we're in puzzle 1. So see, this fill these level with blobs, and see, fill these level with purple blobs to win. See, if you tap this, it will create a new purple blob, and we need to fill all of them to, win a level. And then tap a teal blob to push the blob one space up, and tap a green blob to rotate the direction. So we'll press these to get to here, right? And we'll do the same with this, just like. And now we're gonna push these things all the way up so we can complete the level. Good job, guys! Yeah, we're 45 levels. That's gonna be good. Okay, to fill the level with blobs. Think you can do this, guys? Yeah, I believe in you. Yes, yes. So let's create. That the one blobs can move backwards. That's useful. Yes, I think we've got this, guys. We just have to go downwards and make the orange blob go up, and then go up and make that go down. Well, guys, let's go on level 2. We're just gonna go up to like level 5 or 10. Okay, so these are wood blobs. Those blobs are useless. But listen, look at this. See, now we got him to this level, right? Now, for these this way, right? And now we score them up one more, and now we scored it again this way. As you see, the purple blobs here are still saved. And now we push those up one more time, and we filled all of them. Oh look, see? We do this, push it up. We do this, push it up. We do this, we make another one, and that's good. Now, make another one, we'll push it up. Yes, sometimes it's weird on how to make it. Put another one, push it up. Put another one, now put another one, and we push it up. We put another one, and now we do one more, and then push it up, and now do one more, and we filled all of them with the teal. We finally got those in. Let's see. So we had one blob here, twist it up. We had one blob here, and then, oh good, see? So that since we can do that, now we'll do this, twist him up. We'll do this, twist him up. We'll do this. And now we'll push him there. And then push another one, push that up. Put another one in, we'll twist it up. And now we'll put another one. See, we things to the steel one that can move. And now, there, you finished. Yeah, on level 6. See, so we do that. And now we're gonna start controlling everything. Right. Now we're gonna push this way. And now make these blobs over here. Now make this go over here. And now this will go like this. Oh no, wait. I have to restart this level. Right? And now add another one. And now we push it up, push it up. Go this way, 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 we do this, and now, here's the thingy. After we do the stand up, we can make the last one there. Yeah, notice it takes some sort of pattern. Oh, look at this. See? See, and with that, we'll be able to turn the rotation of this. See? Set that up. And now, we rotate it. So then, we can fill that side up with block. We rotate it again. Now we can fill that side up with block. So, we do that. Yeah. So, we fill it up. Let's keep on going, guys. Wait, can you restart this level? Okay, see? How about this? With how to discuss. Aha! Okay, good. This is good. We should be able to do this. I hope. Now, turn them around. Go, go. And now, when I do this, I can turn the other guy around. And then, twist that up. And twist these things up too. And we're done. Fully level with love. Okay, so, first we do this. Let's go. No, I have to restart the session. And now we're gonna add some more this way. That's our side of the problem. Now we're gonna add them this way. And now this is gonna add up, so we have to do this. Now we can turn it that way. Right. So now again we turn them around this way. Push them here. Turn them around one more again, and then fill it up. See? That's how we get the job done. Ooh, look. This might be a tough one, but we can handle it. Okay, good. We've got this stuff rolling. Okay, let's go. Attack it. Attack. Let's go. Push the blobs downward. Great. Now we are going to push it here. Right. So this might be alright. Okay. Now we gotta try this again. How about this? Wait a second. Okay. We turn it here. Here's my plan. And now, if we use, oh yeah, since it doesn't work, really, we gotta redo this. Let's go here. Okay, let's go on number 45. Okay, yeah, this is not gonna be hard. It's gonna be superbly hard, but I know, guys. I know that we can do this. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Here we go. Let's do this. Okay, we gotta do this game. We gotta do this. I know we can do this. We go back for that. No banana man. Yeah, I mean this is number 45. Well guys, I think that's be the end of this episode. I did say we could go up to 10. But yeah, we might have to take that over. Guys, that's the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time. Bye.